We are now going to go through the Port Pass Builder. To access the Port Pass Builder dashboard, simply select Port Pass Builder from the CustomsLink dashboard. This is where you will be able to see your previous Port Pass requests. Click on Create New Port Pass to create a new Port Pass request. You will be asked to add your reference number, the departure port, and the arrival port. You will also have to select the Port Pass type. We are going to create an SI Brexit and a GMR Port Pass. After selecting both, you will have to add the departure date, the vehicle or trailer ID, the ferry operator, the email address, and the contact phone number. To add a declaration number, click on Add Declaration/MRN, select the document type, add the number, and then click on the Add button. Click on the Submit button when you are ready. You will have to confirm the price by clicking on Generate Port Pass to request the Port Passes. The Port Pass request will appear on the Port Pass Builder dashboard. The account holder will be updated via email on the status of the Port Pass entry. Once the Port Pass is completed, you will be able to check the Port Pass ID by clicking on Completed. If you have any queries or concerns, please contact our help team at help@customs-link.com or via our contact number shown on the screen. Thank you.